Alright guys, here we go. It's an 87 Samurai. We've had several of these over the years. This one we bought is in bad shape. Just ghetto fab crap. Did a stage 1 steering kit. A spring over axle. Threw some shocks on it, some 311050s. Took out the 1x1s that was holding the seats in and so forth. Did the 4.6 TK steering, I can't remember. Trailered it back and forth to Windrock a few times, had some good trail rides, but the motor's tired. Rear diff pinion bearing gone. Pretty sure the output bearing on the transmission's gone. So we're going to build the Samurai I've always wanted, and that's going to be on YJs, preferably spring under, 35s, 4.3 Vortex Spider injected V6, 4L60E automatic. Going to run Toyota doubler transfer cases. Got the doubler adapter in from Advanced Adapters. Waiting on the wiring harness from Hal Wiring or Hal Harnesses. The transmission to transfer case, Toyota 4L60 to Toyota transfer case adapter should be here Monday. Unfortunately, this transmission, the Blazer we got all this out of, ran and drove, but got to swap out the rear output, so we'll be doing a full rebuild on the transmission. Only done that one other time. But here is the Samurai, and engine's ready to pull. I mean, it's a solid body, very, very, very little rust. Just popped the shifter out of it and just thought I'd grab the phone, make a short video. I know where a 10 top is that I may try to grab, so may end up rebuilding this drivetrain for it. I mean, like I said, it's a solid Samurai. It just had too many of them. I'd like to be able to do the speed limit on the interstate if at all possible. Trying to keep a low center of gravity. Hoping to stick on 35s is where I'd like to be. I don't know how much body trimming is going to be involved, but it's going to be quite a bit. Anyway, short, quick video. I don't even know if this will upload. If it does, great. If not, at least I got documentation of it. Y'all have a good night.